Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's a wonderful day today. It's the 27th of February and I have another day, that is tomorrow, to finish cutting all the hedges where the birds will be nesting very soon. And yeah, I already started cutting some English yew trees, and since my son is visiting from Leipzig, I will just finish these 4 tall English yew topiaries, and then I will be doing 2 English yew hedges tomorrow. I'm just so glad to be out again. It's a wonderful day. I wasn't able to do anything in the garden lately because it was just so wet and so cold. And the past few days was just so beautiful. Okay guys, if you'd like, please join me and enjoy the video. So the 4 English yew trees are now cut, trimmed, shaped. Doesn't really look very nice. There's a bump there on top, but I can't reach it, so it has to stay that way. I have to gather all the trimmings and then put it in my compost, just like always. The hedge here is all trimmed. I did it yesterday. So I just have to gather all the trimmings and then I can start cleaning up here in the hydrangea garden. This one is the longest English yew hedge that I have. It's also done. I really had a hard time trimming it yesterday. But it's done. It's not perfect, but in 2 weeks you cannot even see it anymore, and the birds already started nesting, so I can't touch it anymore. So as you can see, there are a lot of things to do in the garden now. I just have to be careful not to touch some shrubs that are not very winter hard, because we might still have very cold temperatures. But I will be pruning the apple tree in the next few days.